Blossom here, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 neat island theme ideas. I'll also be touring some islands that have those themes, so if you've posted your dream address, make sure to keep an eye out. I may mention you! The first island theme idea is a farm island. This could be a subtle, peaceful autumn farm, or it could be like winding rivers around crops and houses. It can also be whatever you want, but here are some of the neat islands I found with a farm theme. So this island is more of a Japanese style urban city with farms and crops around it. I really love this island since it's like real life, and I just love how this person decorated and paved everything. This one is more of a simple forest farm core island. It's really cute actually. Of course, crops, the one thing you have to have in a farm themed island. This person planted some pumpkins and other cute stuff around it. Some furniture you could add to your farm island are beekeeper hives, stalls, hay beds, lawnmowers, hand carts, and scarecrows. These are just some items that go well with that theme, but I'm sure there are many more. The second island theme is winter. Winter Wonderland is what a lot of people like to call it. Of course, this one means you'll most likely keep your island date around the end of the year and the start of the new year, so you can keep the snowy season. The first island with a Winter Wonderland theme is Willowbell. This island is actually quite amazing structure-wise. There's a huge castle, and I love how this person mixed up like medieval with like Winter Wonderland in this part. It's really neat. Some items for your winter-themed island are illuminated snowflakes, streetlights, holly bushes, and star fragments. And of course, the Frozen set. Alright, we're on to our third and final island theme idea. This one is desert. This theme is an unpopular option, but it's actually quite neat. You can use a sand pavement to create the look of flowing sand, or you can create your own custom design for it. I think it would be good to eliminate most or all rivers and lakes from your island, so it's more of a deserty like feel. This island, Sage, is amazing for a desert idea. It's got a little bit of water and it looks amazing. The items used are quite cool as well. It looks so realistic. I love it so much. Some items for a desert-themed island are termite mounds, barbed wire fencing, grass standees, clotheslines, log benches, campfire cookware, tall garden rocks, wooden buckets, and so much more. If you have any other theme ideas, make sure to comment them below. I might do a part 2. Also, the dream addresses will be in the description below. And if you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!